Welcome to Miss Titbit, your global guide to smart words, stylish learning, and everyday curiosity. From trending brands to tricky terms, we pronounce, explain, and explore it all. Let's dive in. Amaretto Disaronno. Amaretto Disaronno. Amaretto Disaronno is an Italian almond-flavored liquor, sweet and versatile in cocktails. If you pronounced it right, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe so we'll practice more together. One last twist from Miss Titbit. Is your brain just a stylish sponge? In case you are interested in getting an answer to it, do hit the bell button so that you can be notified. Here is our word for the upcoming video. Here are some more suggestions for you. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.